Alright, welcome back. Today we've got a whole bunch of team-up blisters. So, if you watched my last video, I just opened up a bunch of Cosmic Eclipse blisters, and the trash is still all around me, including the pulls, which they were trash. So, spoiler alert, if you haven't seen that video. And today I'm hoping to do a little bit better with team-up. So, I'm going to go ahead and crack into these, and then we'll get started. Alright, we've gotten into all of our packs, and we're going to jump right in, and hopefully we can get some good pulls for Team Up. Let's get a little closer to my microphone here. Alright, so code cards are opposite. Mankey, Vulpix, Pancham, Squirtle, Klefki. A reverse foil Jirachi, which... man, these things were worth a pretty penny when they were meta. I don't know if they still are. I have to look it up. And a hollow Alolan Ninetales. So maybe that Jirachi's still worth something, but I'm not sure. Prices will flash up on the screen if it is. Third card. Do a little card trick toward the front. Flip it around. Fairy Energy. Charmeleon. Unidentified Fossil, Farfetch'd, Weedle, Vullaby, Dratini, Zorua, Psyduck, Alolan Grimer Reverse, and a non-hollow Alolan Executor. These packs open way easier than the Cosmic Eclipse ones I just opened. Weedle, Vullaby, Dratini, Zorua, Psyduck, Reverse Foil Dangerous Drill, and a non-hollow Nidoqueen. Let's get something good here. Alolan Grimer, Cosmog, Litten, Grimer, Execute, Reverse Foil Squirtle, and a non-hollow Mimikyu. Not what we were looking for at all. Code card. Vulpix, Pancham, Squirtle, Klefki, Voltorb, Reverse Foil Meowth, and a Hoopa GX. Not really a big hitter, but we'll take it. We'll take it. A little more than a buck or two. Emolga, Staryu, Puccina, Alolan Geodude, Paris, Reverse Foil Squirtle again, and a non-hollow Mimikyu, which is exactly what we just pulled. Look at that. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Alright, code card. Charmander, Honedge, Pidgeotto, Nidoran, Cosmog, a Prism Star Black Market, and a non-foil Alolan Executor. Pawniard, Staryu, Honedge, Weedle, Dratini, Reverse Foil Taurus, and a Hollow Jirachi. Man, I really hope those are still worth something, because that was like a $24 card at one point. It was ridiculously expensive. Make a little bit of money back, but I don't know if it still goes for that sort of money. We'll see. Dratini, Pawniard, Alolan Grimer, Ponyta, Mareep, a Reverse Foil Nita, and a Mr. Mime GX. Again, not really a big hitter, but we'll take a GX. Alright, last two packs. Last two packs. Code card. Meowth, Nidoran, Mareep, Ferroseed, Charmander, Reverse Foil Alolan Grimer, and a non-hollow Kabutops. Alright, last pack magic, please. Please! Give me something good! Give me anything. Weedle, Vullaby, Dratini, Zorua, Psyduck, Reverse Roll Dratini, and a Holo Zapdos. Womp, womp, womp. So, unfortunately, no big hits in this one either. Man, that's like 25 packs of basically duds between the Cosmic Eclipse and the team up. So, very unfortunate for both me and my wallet today, but it happens. That is gambling for kids and what really is the heart of Pokemon cards, right? So, we did our best, but appreciate you watching. If you liked the video, go ahead and smash that like button. Really helps me out. If you like this sort of content, subscribe to my channel. And I just realized I'm looking at the actual video and not the camera, so it looks like I'm looking off to the side. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.